Hey guys, my name is Komal and I welcome you all to my first YouTube channel. Today, in this video, I am going to show you how to make such attractive hanging out of woolen and using the bangles. So let's get started. This we are going to require such types of bangles, one small and one big. So I am going to join these bangles using woolen, and in this way I have joined this. Now we have to roll the woolen using the both bangles, and slowly we'll move ahead in this way without keeping the gaps, and slowly we will cover the overall bangle. This is how it looks. Now I'll join the end of the woolen to the bangle using Fevicol, and this is ready. Here I have used this purple woolen so that we can hang the bells in middle of this bangles, and I am going to use such type of decorative articles. I've just tied a knot, and here is the hanging ready. Now I'm just going to join this hanging. This is how it looks. I have already made such 8 to 10 bangles ready. Hang these bangles. I have taken a plastic box and its cap and cut it from middle so that I can just tie wool through it as we have done to the bangles. This way I have finished it. Now to join this bangle to this ring, I have used again one woolen and joined this bangle. This is how I have joined it. I have tied a knot to this woolen, and I'm just going to put such type of button in it so that it will look more attractive and this button will not move anywhere. This is how it will look. And now one by one I'm going to tie this. First one, and I have kept only some length here. This way I have tied the three, and slowly I'm going to cover all the parts of the ring. In this way I have tied 5 and 3 more to go, and this is how it looks. Now I am going to tie a knot using all these woolens so that the bangles will get a grip in this way, and this is how it looks. For more attractive look, I have also joined such type of buttons. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.